To repair a PHX with damaged fuselage foam, you will need the following: the Phillips screwdriver from the FSK, the hex screwdriver from the FSK, the JB Weld plastic bonder from the FSK, a small cup and tool for mixing the bonder, a tool to remove excess dirt or debris that may be stuck in the fuselage, a wet paper towel may also be useful, and gloves if you want to keep your hands clean. First, remove any excess dirt or debris from the fuselage foam. Next, inspect the foam for any unseen cracks that also need repair. This fuselage has a crack on each side that should be repaired before the fuselage is considered airworthy again. The broken off nose portion of the fuselage appears to be intact. Assemble the two pieces and ensure that there is no missing foam. Next, clean the foam using a wet paper towel to remove any excess dirt. Next, remove the motor wire bracket and clamp from the motor wires using the Phillips screwdriver. Then remove the motor from the motor cup. Check the motor for any damage or unusual grinding. Small rocks or dirt may have gotten into the motor. Mix the JB Weld plastic bonder into a small cup. Ensure that the bonder is thoroughly mixed. The glue is workable for 3 to 5 minutes and begins to set after 15 minutes. The bonder takes 24 hours to fully cure. Apply a layer of the bonder across the entire surface area to be bonded. This is called 100% surface adhesion. It ensures a very strong bond between the pieces of foam. Place the foam back into position and firmly press the two sides together. A small amount of glue should leak out of the sides of the cracks. Use a tool to scrape off the excess glue. A popsicle stick or dull razor blade works well to scrape off the excess glue. You may also wipe off the excess glue with a towel or rag. Mix some more JB Weld to fix the other cracks in the fuselage. For cracks like this, try to gently separate the inner faces of the crack and apply the bonder with your tool. Pushing the glue into the crack with the tool works as well. The bonder can also be used to bond the green polycarbonate to the foam. If available, isopropyl alcohol is very good at removing the uncured bonder from the foam. Ensure there is no bonder inside of the battery bay. Excess bonder inside of the battery bay may make it more difficult to reinstall internal components later. If the motor wire bracket has become unattached, clean off any dirt and use the JB Weld to bond the component back into the fuselage as shown. It should rest against the small vertical wall right behind the motor cup. Check that all the cracks have been bonded back together and that there are no large gaps between the bonded cracks. Check for any missed excess glue and ensure the bonded pieces have been firmly pressed back together. Carefully inspect the bonded seams and ensure that they are set correctly. The foam is now bonded back together. Fully bonded seams may be seamless, or they may still be slightly shiny from the bonder. The next few clips show that the bonded foam can be flexed, shaken, pulled on, and smacked without the bonds breaking. Reinstall the motor. There is a motor installation video on the Sentera YouTube page that can be watched for more detailed instructions on how to reinstall the motor. Connect the ESC wires to the motor wires. Ensure that at least one pair of the ESC wires cross over each other to ensure the motor spins the correct direction. Install the motor wire clamp and check that the motor spins freely. Install the spinner assembly by using the hex driver from the FSK and tighten the screw as tight as possible onto the motor. Thanks for watching, and visit our website for more information.